Everyone talks about taking your dog on an adventure like it has to be some big hike, long road trip, or expensive getaway. But honestly, adventures don't have to be crazy, far away, or cost much. Sometimes an adventure is as simple as bringing your dog along for your next car wash. Think about it. How many dogs actually get to experience how weird a car wash is? The lights, the spinning brushes, the water everywhere. It's basically a whole sensory experience. My dogs absolutely love doing this. They sit there wide-eyed watching everything like it's a ride at an amusement park. So if you're waiting for the perfect plan to include your dog, don't. Bring them along for the small stuff too, because to them, that is the adventure.